Dymaund Trinity. I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to get y'all notes look like mine. It's right here. And so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is download fonts to our iPad, and this is completely harmless. It doesn't have any viruses, and you can do this. So first I'm gonna go to Safari. I'm gonna open this website called thefont.com. You just type that in, and then you can look for whatever font you want. So I typically like calligraphy fonts, and those look pretty nice to me. So I'm going to download this one right here. And I'm probably going to download this one too. And those are going to go up there, and those are fine. So once you download those, you want to open this app. Well, download this app first, and then open this app called iFont. And what you're going to do to get your fonts to your iPad, are you going to press import up here at the top. And they should be right here. So I'm going to click this. And you're going to see it, and you're going to press import. And then press install, and this is going to pop up. Press allow, then press close, and it's going to say open settings. So once you open your settings, you're going to go to general, VPN, and it's going to be right here. And you're just going to press install and put your password in. So now that we did that, it's going to be installed. I'm going to press done. Now I'm going to go to GoodNotes. Now I'm not sure if you can import fonts to like other apps, but I know with GoodNotes it works. So once I get this, I'm gonna get started. So you see how I have like a section up here at the top, like the heading, this right here. We're gonna open it like this. So what I do for that is I type in, I'm just gonna type in notes tutorial for right now. And I'm gonna change it, and for this one I use Vogue, so I'm gonna drop the links to all the fonts that I use, or I'm gonna make a file where you can go ahead and download these. It's gonna be easier for y'all. And then I go ahead and put that weight on to like big, as big as you like, really. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna put it on the center, and then we're gonna just like center it right here like that. Then for the cursive, I'm also gonna like link this font too. Just gonna type it again, but I'm typing it on lowercase. And so then I'm gonna click this and change it to this font. I'm gonna make it big like this as well. And I usually change the color, so I'm gonna do purple. That's my favorite color. Make it a little bit smaller because I just like mine to be perfect. And then I go through with the highlighter, and I just kind of go across the back of it. And with GoodNotes, it puts this behind it. So if you hold it and just let it like that, that's how I get that to look. And then I use like my regular notes. I use a different font and just kind of, I usually have it on my Scribble, but I turned it off for this tutorial. But I just kind of type in, so like, can I spell? So this is how I just kind of type it, and then, you know, just type in my notes, go through my highlighter once again, and I just highlight my important sections. And then you see like for this picture that I drew, this is really easy. You're just going to swipe up on your iPad, and I'm going to go ahead and open Safari. And you just kind of drag it and pull it like this. And I'm going to type in DNA, if you want a DNA image, or you could just type in anything you're trying to search. And so this is the exact picture I used yesterday. Just gonna pull this and drag it, and then you just kind of center it where you want it to be. And then I just kind of go through and trace it. Like, I'm not gonna trace the whole thing, but you know, just like that. And once you finish coloring it all in, just click the image tab up here and click this again. Just press delete, and you'll see it right there. But of course, it's gonna look better than that when you actually draw it in. So once you do that, your notes should pretty much come out looking like this. And this is pretty much all my notes for yesterday's class. But I hope this helps. And I'm going to link all the fonts down in the bio. And I'll be doing another tutorial on how to get y'all a schedule like this one right here. So hope this helps. Thanks for coming.